Okay, so copy and paste. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Copy, paste, 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 copy, paste. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Chris. I'm a videographer, photographer, and YouTuber. I make all sorts of videos from product reviews to demos to how-tos to just me sat here telling you guys about my experiences. So this video is kind of an experience slash a how-to because I came across something that really frustrated me in DaVinci Resolve and I couldn't find anything online that would help me out. So I'm making this video so that you guys don't run into the same problems that I did. So I was working on a project within DaVinci Resolve a couple of weeks ago and I was trying to copy footage from one timeline to another timeline. And if I was doing this in Premiere, it would be as simple as doing Control-C, Control-V, and the footage would copy where my playhead is and there would be no issue. In DaVinci Resolve, I was copying the footage and then I was pasting the footage into the new timeline and it was pasting in a random area of the timeline, not where my playhead was. Sometimes it was at the very start of my timeline, sometimes it was in the middle, and sometimes it was overwriting footage that I'd already edited and it was driving me insane. This is exactly the same as if you're working on one timeline, but it's a little bit easier to copy the footage by just holding Alt and dragging the footage that you want. That will duplicate the footage, but I was copying it from a different timeline, so there was no way of getting around it. So after a lot of searching on the internet, I finally discovered a thread on a forum where somebody else was having the same issue as me, and it seems to be quite a common problem. That's why I'm making this video, so the next person who has this problem can find a really easy solution. If that's you, then please hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. So the first suggestion that I found was to clear your in and out points on your timeline. I tried that, it didn't work, but it might work for you, so go ahead and try that. The next suggestion did work for me. It's the snapping tool. If you've got the snapping tool enabled on your DaVinci Resolve project, then your footage will paste in a completely random area. Usually it pastes at the beginning of the project. If you disable that snapping tool, the footage will paste wherever your playhead is. Simple as that. Hours and hours of frustration fixed by disabling the snapping tool. Hopefully that helps you out. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss another episode, and I will see you again tomorrow.